Hey man, I felt so good letting that one out. I love these songs, man, so I'm so glad I'm sharing it with you. It's one heck of an anniversary. Make some fucking noise! Okay. Julia, what's the next song?
Satchel.
Oh, y'all not ready for this one. Let's go. Let's drop that thing. Lock in. Let me lock in.
Can we throw a party with nothing but sad songs? 'Cause if we throw that party, I host the best one. Maybe some heartaches, or maybe some blues. Something we all know, as long as it reminds me of you. Baby, can we throw a party with nothing but sad songs? Hey, 'cause if we throw that party, I host the best one. Hey. Sad songs say so much, but nothing compares to you. And only love can break your heart, yeah. Are some of the tunes that I listen to. Can we throw a party? Hey, with nothing but sad songs. 'Cause if we throw that party, I host the best one, best one.
Yeah. Ain't no sunshine when you're gone. It's so back to black. If I ain't got you now, then you never coming back. You killing me softly with the way that you act. I was rolling in the deep and I keep getting too attached. Say something. I keep holding on. I'm tired of skinny love, especially when you're gone. I could really use somebody at this party, play the song. And I will always love you, but for now I'll say so long for real.
Can we throw that party? Baby, with nothing but sad songs. 'Cause if we throw that party, I host the best one, the best one. Ooh, and I host the best